What are these? These are teeth. They are teeth. What are these? These are children. They are children. What are these? These are fish. They are fish. What are these? These are feet. They are feet. What are these? These are leaves. They are leaves. What are these? These are men. They are men. What are these? These are shopping bags. They are shopping bags. What are these? These are grapes. They are grapes. What are these? These are phones. They are phones. What are these? These are eggs. They are eggs. What are these? These are coins. They are coins. What are these? These are dogs. They are dogs. What are those? Those are women. They are women. What are those? Those are sheep. They are sheep. What are those? Those are watches. They are watches. What are those? Those are people. They are people. What are those? Those are buses. They are buses. What are those? Those are cars. They are cars. What are those? Those are dogs. They are dogs. What are those? Those are umbrellas. They are umbrellas. What are those? Those are gold rings. They are gold rings. What are those? Those are cows. They are cows.